Once in Russia, there lived a Tsar and a Tsarina. They had one daughter, Maria Tsarevna. After some time, the old Tsarina died and the Tsar married another woman who was in reality a witch. Now, the witch had three daughters, one of whom had one eye, the next two eyes, and the third had three eyes. The stepmother did not like Maria Tsarevna and sent her with a dun cow on the pasture and gave her a dry crust to eat. Maria Tsarevna went on to the pasture and bowed down to the right foot of the cow. Suddenly, her clothes changed into a beautiful dress, and she had lots of food to eat and drink, as much as she liked. So, throughout the day, she watched over the dun cow and looked as happy as any other woman in the land. At night, she bowed down again in front of the right foot and became her original self again and went home. One-eyed sister. After reaching home, Maria Tsarevna gave back the dry crust to her stepmother. She was shocked and thought on how Maria Tsarevna survived throughout the day. The next day, the witch gave her the same piece of bread and asked her eldest daughter to keep a watch over what Maria Tsarevna did. When they reached the pasture, Maria Tsarevna said, "Come, little sister, let me find a place for you to rest." The sister went to sleep. Maria Tsarevna stood up, went to the dun cow, bowed down to the right foot, and ate and drank. She went around like a princess. In the evening, she woke her sister up and said, "Get up, sister, it's time to go home." "Oh," the sister moaned. "I have been asleep all day long and I have not seen anything. Mother will be angry with me." When they reached home, the stepmother asked her what Maria Tsarevna ate and drank. "I did not see anything," she replied. Three-eyed sister. The witch scolded her. The next day, she sent the two-eyed sister with Maria. The two girls came to the pasture and Maria Tsarevna sent her to sleep. As before, Maria Tsarevna bowed down to the cow and lived like a princess all day long. In the evening, she woke the two-eyed sister up. Once home, the witch again got angry and scolded the two-eyed sister. The following day, she sent the three-eyed sister with Maria Tsarevna. Maria sent her to sleep in the same way, but she forgot that the third eye was watching what Maria Tsarevna did. Maria Tsarevna bowed to the right foot of the cow, ate and drank and ran all around wearing beautiful clothes. When she returned home, she kept the dry crust on the table. The mother asked the daughter what Maria Tsarevna had eaten and drunk. The three-eyed sister told her everything, and the witch ordered the dun cow to be slain. Evanwich and Maria Tsarevna. Maria Tsarevna begged her father to give her at least a little part of the cow. The father gave her the piece, and she planted it. A bush with sweet berries grew up. The little birds sat on the bush and sang sweet songs. Now, Prince Evanwich had heard of Maria Tsarevna. He went to her stepmother, laid a bowl on the table, and said, "Whoever brings me the bowl full of berries will marry me." The mother sent her one-eyed daughter to collect the berries, but the birds drove her away and pecked out her one eye. The two-eyed and three-eyed sisters also met with the same fate. At last, Maria Tsarevna went. She took the bowl and gathered the berries. The little birds helped her in collecting the berries. So, Evanwich married Maria Tsarevna and they lived a happy life.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.